Hi viewers, Samanath, Small Steps Traders channel. Before going to the video, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views only for learning purpose. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. We'll go to the video. Straight away we'll go to the gold now. So gold, we can say presently in the sideways movement. If you see the 60,000, 60,500, this move has a very strongly it is traveled here, but it was like a breakout, but the date itself I told it couldn't able to make further upper side. So it is not a, it's like a false breakout we can see from this zone. So now again it come to the near to the zone. So now it is act as a 61,000 as a place where it is now moving on. So I hope the subsequent session it may be come down, because if you see in the price action, there is it completely lost the momentum, and if you see the indicator, there is a possibility there is a crossover happen in the EMA. Similarly, if you see the MACD and RSI, MACD it is in the zero line, so that is indecisive. Similarly, for RSI it is 50 mount. So presently gold is an indecisive, but to my viewpoint, in the subsequent session it may go down. So this about future. And if you see the call option which we tracking 60,000 on, so it was 8,000 while it came to the value zone. Yeah, this place. So we initiated the call option here. So it was 8,000, it has gone till 16,000, and now it is resting at 10,800. So it's better to unwind. If we are in the future position with the tight stop loss, you can hold it if the long position. But here in the call option, it is good to unwind, because there is a huge theta decay in options. So better to unwind it, but don't initiate any short position until we'll get the confirmation. So we will cross check with global contract whether it is reflecting properly from the global contract. So yes, exactly, it is in the sideways movement, there is no momentum. The same in MACD and RSI. So exactly this is replicating at MCX. If you see the left side weekly contract, so this is unable to make cross the previous week high. So yesterday itself I told, if it is unable to make crosses the previous week high, it may move downside towards this channel support. So it was a resistance after the breakout, now it will act as a support. So it may come down till on 19,900. There is possibilities. So short term there is a it looks a downtrend, but until we will get the confirmation on 4 hours chart and 2 hours chart in MCX, then only you take the short portion. Until then wait. So this about gold. Now we will see silver. Yeah, so this is also in the zone. We keep saying that 71,500, 72,500, this is the zone. We are saying that from here on it is traveling there. So still it is moving over the zone only. So if we'll get the solid confirmation in gold, definitely this also will be in the downside. Then you take the short position. Until and then don't take any position on silver as well. So if you see the 2072 call option which we are tracking with when it was in the zone, so there is no profitability. So it is exactly, it is also in the place where we initiated, but apart from that there is some decay in this, be able to say. So always options have the decay. So if you have the any position in options, please unwind it in silver. Now we will check the global contract. Exactly the same thing. So even if you see the indicator, it is very much close to the zero line in MACD and exactly 50 mark at RSI. so it is indecisive. But if you see the weekly chart, the overall it may look in the negative, but if you see this zone, it will be the sideways. This is the place, but if you see here, it look like a zone channel. So now it is a channel resistance couldn't able to break since 3 weeks. Now it may go towards the downside till $20 it may come. So because so far it is properly respecting the channel, so with that respect I am saying it may come down the price. So this is about silver. Now we will look crude oil. Yesterday there was a crude oil inventory. The data was mildly bullish, but it didn't reflect in the price. So prior to the data, it has reflected. We can see now it is in bullish. So now if you see that it looking like a channel, downside channel. So still we are keep saying that in dollar term it may respect, it may come to $80. So that we will see in the global current period to the from the price here it was here we started tracking the 7,500 put option that was around 40,000 while it was started tracking. Now it is almost double, close to 80,000, 77,500 now. Now we will look the global contract. Yeah, exactly. It is in the channel formation, you can see. And if you see in the weekly chart, we keep saying that this is like a zone. It's traveling here, so it may come to $80. So there is another just $1. It may reach in maybe in today also. There is a lot of possibilities. But further, whether if it breaks, then it come till $70. Or else we have to expect, we don't know, maybe it may again reverses to towards 90 because it is in the channel now, it is in the zone. So there are two possibilities. Maybe it reverses to, it may go till 90,000 or else 70,000. So for the position traders, wait for the confirmation in 4 hours or the similarly in 2 hours chart in MCX. Now we'll see natural gas. Yeah, see how heavy volatility it was. There was a pullback when from the price moving here on. Instead of I told there would be though it is in the upper side, there will be a price pullback. So exactly that had happened. Again that had recovered. Now it is again coming down. So it's very huge volatility in natural gas. But in the overall, if you see, it is a mild bullishness only that I will show in the global weekly contract. So similarly, if you see the 750 call option, when the prices was here, we started tracking it. So 16,000 is gone to almost 40,000. Again, it has come to 20,000. Again 39. Again now it is 28. But still, those who are initiated here, still they are in the profit. But if you doing the call option or put option, especially in crude oil and natural gas, have the position, don't have the positional trade because the trade equal is huge in crude and natural gas. Now we will see the global contract. So prior to the global contract, today there is a natural gas inventory at 8 o'clock. So keep this in mind and trade. Excuse me. Now we'll see global contract. Yeah. So MCX is exactly reflecting this global contract price. So if you see indicator, it is still in the bullish zone, but in the bullish zone now the MACD line crossing down the MACD line. So but overall it is in the bullish zone only. Similarly RSI as well. But if you see the weekly chart, so far it is a mild bullish side. That's what I said, it is mild bullish. But one thing you have to remember, it respecting the channel trend line. So if we see here, it didn't come down, but there was a sideways movement that will touch the channel trend line. Similarly, now it is places here, it may go in the sideways, or it may come down till around $3 in while it touch the trend line. So overall it is in the bullish. So don't try short covering in natural gas, always try long unwinding with stop loss. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Please do subscribe and like. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.